Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to deploy Nutanix cluster using Postman and the JSON config file. Before that, you need to find out what API calls you have to use with the foundation. So you go to the nutanix.dev and in API reference, scroll down, you can find the API library for the Nutanix products. And here you have the foundation, and here you have all of the API calls you need for the foundation. So this is what you can find, all the APIs and how to use them. Okay, anyway, so let's switch quickly to Postman so I can show you how to do this. So in a Postman, this is IP of my foundation, the port is 8000, and then if you want to list the foundation, the Nutanix AOS packages, you just send it and it returns you back, right? If you want to see what hypervisor bundles you have on your foundation, you can do enumerate hypervisor ISOs, send it back, right? So get, it will pull you information. As you can see, I have like a 3 versions, 6.7, 6.5 and 7.0 on my foundation. And this is the API call, which is image nodes, basically where you we're used to image your nodes. So in this case, I will be using a JSON file, and let me show you my JSON file. So this is my JSON file for AHV, and this is the construct. So all of the information, including like UI platforms, IPs, and then cluster config with the NTP and everything in here. Here it is per node information. And this is like information like what will be deployed. So you can see I have here 5.17.1.3 and I will be putting the AHV in here. Okay, so let's back up to Postman, and if you want to use the JSON as an input file, you click body and row and you copy paste your config file here. Right, once you have your copy pasted your raw config JSON file, don't forget to change from text to JSON in here. You hit send and it takes like a couple of seconds to send to your foundation, and the status is okay. So this is your ID, session ID. So if you want to check the status later on, you just supply that session ID with the status with a part of the request. And let me open it up quickly. Okay, here it is. And yep, foundation isn't going. So because my cluster was up and running, so now when I hit it, it will, it shut down the whole cluster and put reimage from a start basically. So that's it. This is the easiest and the quickest way to deploy your clusters either in production or your test lab when you have to destroy and build several times a day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and talk to you soon.